In 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to replace ICP sensor on 6.0 POWERSTROKE. Let's get started. Injection control pressure sensor is located on passenger side valve cover, and as you can see, it's over that low plug control module. Let's disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor. Just pry that plastic tab carefully out and pull it the connector. Okay, 24mm wrench to remove the sensor. Take a sensor out. ICP sensors are prone to fail. This is not OEM part. I have a video how to test them, diagnosed. Check it out down in the description. Let's put the engine oil on your O-ring of the new sensor. Let's start that sensor by hand and tie it with a wrench. Let's go and connect the electrical connector. It's locked. That's it. If it's helpful, thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.